Hey guys, I'm recording this on an app called VHS Cam. Just trying to give you guys an old retro looking video of all my Hoover helpmates. They came out in 1982, and then on 1983 is when the Hoover helpmate came out on the Concept 2. Sadly, my Concept 2 doesn't run right now. I got to replace this little contact switch for the cord. But in the meantime, go ahead, give you a run video of my Hoover helpmates. So go ahead, we'll plug in the one that came on the Concept 2. I can get this plugged in. There we go. And this one I know runs because I've ran it. Go ahead and show you. It is a model S1057-700. Go ahead and give it a little quick run. Okay, good. Unplug it. Push it to the side. Now that one there, and this one here, which is sadly damaged. But this is a model number S1071, same as that one. This one was actually given to me from the local vacuum shop that was closing. Same place that I bought the Concept 2 from. So these machines both came from the same area, same place. So, go ahead. And give you a quick run video. I don't think I've run this one yet, so I don't know how this one sounds. Sounds a little peppier. Different motor, that's for sure. Or at least sure sounds like it. Then, here's my one that I got. I think I paid $3 or $4 for it. I didn't pay the full $5. But this one actually came in the box. You could probably tell here it says they paid basically $30 for it. So, box is in good shape. So is the cord on the machine. Go ahead. Give this one a run too. So, there you guys go. There's just a quick run of all of them. I'll do another video of these sometime soon. In a better quality video. I just wanted to do this and get something retro up for this. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed, and yeah, hopefully this video turned out okay.